Traders, welcome to the video. In this video I'll be showing you a simple and powerful strategy that you can use to scalp the boom and crash market and make some money. So this strategy is very simple and straightforward, but you need to pay close attention and you need to take note of everything I say so that you don't make unnecessary mistakes on your chart. So if you look carefully on my chart, this 1 hour time frame, and this is crash 1000. This strategy works on all the boom and crash markets, but here I'll be using the boom and crash 1000 for my example. So I'll be showing you settings to the indicators and I'll be giving you like two examples. So to select the indicator, click on this indicator icon over here. As you can see, I have just four indicators. I have moving average, MACD, moving average, and relative strength index. To select the moving average, click on the F icon on the main chart and search for moving average. Make the period to be 20, shift to be 0, method to be simple, apply to close. For the styles, make it color of your choice, pixel of your choice. After that, click on save. For the MACD, click on the F icon on the main chart and search for MACD. Make the fast EMA to be 12, slow EMA to be 26, MACD SMA to be 9, apply to close. For the main style, make it color of your background. For the signal style, make it color of your choice. After that, click on save. The next is moving average. Click on the F icon on the indicators Windows 1 and search for moving average. Make the period to be 1, shift to be 0, method to be exponential, apply to first indicators data. This is very important. For the style, make it color of your choice, pixel of your choice. After that, click on save. And for the last indicator, which is the relative strength index, which we use for the levels, click on the F icon on the indicators Windows 1 and search for relative strength index. Make the period to be 1, apply to close. For the levels, make it 15 and 85. For the style, make it color of your background. If your background is white, make it white. If it is black, make it black. So make sure that all the colors that you choose are visible on your chart. After that, click on save. So if you follow my settings correctly, your chart will look exactly as what you see over here. So what do we want to first pay attention to? We want to pay attention to the trend of the market in the bull market and in the crash market. So in the crash market, we want to focus on uptrend, and in the bull market, we want to focus on downtrend. To detect that, this is the 1 hour time frame. You want to take your 2, and you can see the market is moving in an upside. This is a trend line showing you the market is moving in an uptrend. So anytime market comes to this level, we look to buy market to the upside, but we can still scalp this level if market give us opportunity. But you can see the markets have broken it here. So breaking it does not mean that you cannot still look for entry, but it is when markets have changed trend completely to downtrend and you see it falling, that is when you don't look for opportunities anymore. Then you wait for when market on the 1 hour time frame change trend to the uptrend again. So let's go to the 1 minute time frame and look for entry opportunities. 1 minute time frame. So on the 1 minute time frame, your zoom level, let's say this is the innermost zoom. You want to zoom in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So this is the best zoom level for this strategy. So what are we looking for? We want to look for when market drop drastically. So this is when it is about to go to the trend line in the higher time frame. So once you have that, then you want to wait for when the green and the purple line crosses each other and the green line goes above the purple line, just like you see over here. Then you want to wait for the cross of this moving average. After that, you want to enter a buy and you want to count your 5 candles. So that is the only thing you want to be looking for. So for the crash market, you want to focus on the 15 level. For the bull market, you want to focus on the 85 level. So if I continue moving, you can see this drop around this point, cross of the purple and the green moving average around the 15 level. This is the crash market. You want to wait for the cross of the moving average on your main chart. Let me zoom in. So immediately you have this drop, you have the cross of the moving average on the main chart. You enter your buy and then you count your 5 candles. So let's quickly go to the bull market and let me show you one example also over there. So on the bull market, first thing you want to do is to go to your 1 hour time frame. You can see that the bull market is currently in a downtrend. This is downtrend around this point. You can see that we have a retest and market continues to fall. So once you have that, you know that this is a very good condition for you to enter sell position in the bull market and cash your 5 candles. So if I go back to the 1 minute time frame, so you want to pay attention to the 85 level. Let's look at this area for our example. So you want to see market spikes to the upside, series of spike, just like you see over here. You see this long spike pushes these indicators into the 85 level. So once you have that, let me zoom in. So you want to wait for the cross. The same thing, the green going below the purple line. Don't forget the crash market that the green goes above the purple line. Then you want to wait for the cross of this moving average on your main chart. Wait for one candle below, enter your sell, and then you count your 5 candles. You can also look to counting 10 candles if you want, but the 5 candles give you higher win rate and it is more consistent than the 10 candles. So basically, that is what I want to show you for this video. I want you to go back on your chart, backtest this strategy. I am not saying you should go on your live account and start trading this strategy. You need to practice first. You need to see if it works for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. You can also check out my other videos that are displaying right now on your screen. Thanks for watching.